Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariana. I'm so excited you are here, and I hope that today you are ready to do some baking with me. What I'm going to do actually for this Vlogmas is just show you these cookies that I baked out of this book that I found in a thrift store from last year. I think I paid like $2. I am going to be linking the recipe down below. I can tell you that these cookies are divine because not only I ate them, but I also shared with my neighbor and she loved it, asked me for the recipe, and she is also baking them as well. Also, I don't know about you, but right now, I want a Christmas with a lot of hot chocolates and cozy food, and I just want to have a lot of cookies pre-made, the butter at least pre-made in my freezer. So when I am off during the Christmas break, I can just make fresh cookies every day. So what about you? What are you looking forward to? And do you have winter break at your job, or are you taking days off? What is your after Christmas looks like? This year is the first time that I'm doing Vlogmas. Not quite sure how much I'm going to be able to keep this up because of my working schedule. And I know some people enjoy Vlogmas, but other people really enjoy just the motivational videos on Sunday. I am giving this a try. I am looking forward for a nice break. And December to me, because I no longer have little children, is to prep for January. I feel that January sometime could be such a dense month. And that's why this week I was sharing with you about my project, my finances. I'm trying to stay ahead of the game so I can rest. I am looking forward for that quiet, cozy time here in New Jersey. Today, as a matter of fact, we already have seen some snowflakes, and it's so exciting. I am a bilingual teacher, and I have children that it was their first time seeing snowflakes because it hasn't really snowed here in Jersey, at least not in the part that I live in. And I am always so amazed to see that first impression on a child's eyes, right? Oh, and face too, but their eyes, they're so gloomy and innocent. Not gloomy, they're so sparkly and innocent. And I just love, because sometimes when you see something so many times, you forget the beauty of it. Just to tell you a little bit about these cookies, I do have a stand mixer machine, and for some reason I felt lazy, didn't want to carry it from the basement, but I should bring it up and keep it up since I'm doing a lot of baking these days. And I was using this one, which I like, but it's not perfect for you to be trying to whip up some butter. The butter was at room temperature, but I had to do a lot of elbow grease. So if you have a stand mixer for this part, I suggest you use that one, unless you just want to get some muscles while you are mixing. These cookies are made with pecans. The recipe says that you can add chocolate chips. I did not want to add the extra chocolate chips. It also says to do it with apricot. I did not have any apricot, so I used the peach jam from the peaches that I picked this summer, and they came out delicious. I also decided not to add on the outer part pecans on all the cookies, just in case if it was going to be too much. But going forward, I'm actually going to add pecans on the outer side to all of them because they are just scrumptious and delicious. I am also this week, just to chat with you a little bit about what's happening, I am going to share with you a sourdough starter journey. I started the journey this week. This is my second time doing it. I did it last year and I was successful, and I'm doing it again. I'm doing two, one for me, one for my best friend, and I'm blogging every day to share with you. And let's see. I am also looking forward to every Saturday morning bake a fresh loaf of bread. So tell me, what are you looking forward? What plans do you have for this holiday season? Is your schedule totally booked? I find out that during the month of December, we have so many commitments. We spend so much money. We rush through things more than other times. And I think that's why a lot of people, especially here in the United States, prefer Thanksgiving best, because during the month of Thanksgiving, it forces you to pause and it forces you to sit at a table and to spend quality time with your loved ones versus Christmas. And not the true meaning of Christmas, but what us humans have made it to be. It's everything is so rushed. And then January comes around and we are found in a place of debt, of mess, and we're tired, even frustrated sometimes. And it's supposed to be totally the opposite. I hope I'm making sense of what I'm saying. So let me know, what are your thoughts? What are you doing? Are you trying to stay busy? Are you busy because you are a social person and you have a lot of commitments? Or are you trying to find those quiet moments? The recipe calls for you to whip the egg white a little bit and then drop your cookies inside of them and toast them on the pecans. And that's how the pecans are going to be getting attached to the outer of the cookies. And I use my thumb to create a little hole in the middle to be able to put the peach jam. So I seen some people, they use the back of a small spoon, like the teaspoon, to do this. I find this is easy and it helps me not to wash an extra utensil. Friend, I hope that you are having a wonderful Christmas. I am going to see the rockets on Wednesday. I want to share that with you, not inside, but the journey. And let me know if you are enjoying this Vlogmas. Again, my channel is usually about DIY and cleaning motivation, but I thought I could just take some time in the month of December to come over here and chat with you about different things. Until tomorrow, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, keep the notification bells on. If you have a cookie recipe that you think I should prep for Christmas, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you for being here. I'm going to play some music and catch you tomorrow. Bye, friend.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he